Hmm.
Who do you see in the camera?
Listen.
Nathan. What's Nathan doing?
Eating yogurt.
Yes, you are. Oh, what happened to the camera? Choo, choo, choo. Did you eat it all up and swallow it? Not quite. Oh, please don't bang the camera, Lily. That could hurt the phone.
I'm now playing camera.
Yeah, you gotta be gentle with the camera. Peekaboo. There's a mommy in there too.
There's mama. There's mama. And listen.
Yep. Ready?
And
Peekaboo! I see you. Whoa.
Wobbly, wobbly camera.
Wobbly, wobbly camera. Yes, indeed. Make it go up. That's the ceiling. And come back down.
Up to the ceiling.
There's our kitchen. Oh, peekaboo, there's Nathan.
And come right back down.
Mm-hmm.
And knock over.
No, let's not knock it over because that could hurt it. You all done playing with it? You know what? Mama made it so it's making a movie. Can you say goodbye?
Bye-bye.